What is good, boys? Um, so I took 3 trades today. First one was a loss, second one was a break even, and third one was a break even. Um, so first macro, right? What am I looking at? Okay. We're starting to form this like trend line ass move. Like look at all this LR, right? We have all this LR resting here. I'm literally just waiting for a CISD above this. I'm literally just waiting for a closure above this. We form an order block. I go long, right? Oh, we get it, right. This would have been a beautiful entry. Guess what doesn't happen? ES does not close above its order block, so it was no entry, right? These assets weren't correlated, therefore I couldn't take a trade. And this looked really good too. And we blah, blah, blah. We formed a new one here, so I was waiting for this one now. Um, and watch what price does. I'm waiting for this one on ES. We just kind of like edge it, dude. We edge it, man. We absolutely edge it, and then we dump. Right, so that was the end of the first macro. I was looking for those longs, and those would have played out super cleanly. Cause just look at this, like this LR. Like we're about to run all that if we get the CISD. Let's go into the second macro here. This is when I took a loss. Okay, so look. Okay, I need to go back before. Okay, so this was just some bullshit, bro. Like my concepts still played out and everything, right? Again, we have very obvious LR, right? Um, right? My break even is going to be this swing low right here, okay? Because it's the first low in a discount. So if we're going to reverse, we're going to take that low and then go higher, right? Now, our entry model's right here, okay? Now it's at 10:43. It's right before macro, right? So I'm waiting for this candle to see what it does. We haven't taken my break even. We're still in a premium to short to a discount. Everything's good here. So I'm literally just waiting for the next candle to open and then I'm short, right? So boom, this candle opens. I short the second 1045 comes out. Stop loss was at these candle bodies highs, at the candle body highs. Um, and yeah, TB was right here. This is a great trade. And then look at what we want to do. We want to wick this out, wick out my stop loss, and then we want to reverse, tap that break even, and then reverse. Um, was there another position here? Would have been out at break even. We have this obvious LR. Please don't tell me I missed a trade and it hit TP. I'd be a little upset. This is our range here. Please tell me. Break even is this. Please tell me it hit it. Thank you. Oh, thank Jesus. Thank Jesus. Okay. This I didn't even see this because I'm fucking doped up. I'm not locked in. This is one thing I need to get better at. So as we're in these shorts, right, and then we get break even or we get stop loss, right? We form all this LR here. We have this nice range here, right? Break even's gonna be this first swing high in a premium, which is this swing high here. I'm waiting for a CIC above there. We take IV, so can't enter the trade. And then I'm waiting for these shorts. I remember this. I was waiting for these shorts. I got nothing. And then coming into this macro, the hardest thing about my strategy is that right there, what I just showed you guys. You can get an entry long while you're in another trade, right? So, and I've already back tested all this. It's all fine. It's just really hard doing it live because you're just so like tunnel vision on like these shorts. You're not thinking about a long position, right? It sounds pretty dumb. That would have been that wouldn't have been a trade though because ES took IV here. Um, Still played out though. Okay, now coming into this third macro, right? I was looking for these shorts, right? We have this obvious range here that we need to rebalance. IV is going to be, when I say IV, guys, that's my invalidation point, okay? So, I don't want to enter the trade if we come down into this OTE and then do like Price isn't gonna do that. The whole point of this OTE is Price is gonna come down, hit it, and then reverse if we're still bullish, right? So my IV is my invalidation point, right? So I'm waiting for a CISD below these candles. We get it right here. Nope, right here. We get it right here. Entry still in a premium. Rock stop loss at this swing high here. And look at this edger, bro. Look at this edger, bro. I actually got edged on that, bro. And then now I'm break even. And then I got break even. And then again, another reverse position. So I took that trade. I got break even on that. As you can see here, we have beautiful LR. Today was a lot of LR. You know, like we didn't have like this wasn't LR. This was just a nice clean up move that we had to rebalance. This, however, though is LR. IV is going to be this first swing. And as you can see, right, I got break even on that trade on my long entry, right? So I went long here. Stop loss at this swing low. TP at here. And then we hit break even, and then we SMT these highs and just dump, and I just get break even. I don't take TPs off SMTs because I don't really take TP off liquidity. I just go flat 2R, and that's pretty much it. So this is a beautiful day. I'm very grateful, and I'm so blessed, and I want to thank Christ for allowing me to take all the positions that I should have. I will get better at spotting these reversals. Me and my trading buddy that trade this strategy are going to be more locked in on that. But this wasn't even an entry, so I'm very blessed for that. But every single entry I took, I'm glad I got the right outcome. I'm glad my stop loss was right. I'm glad everything was right. I'm not mad about this wick out at all. There's no way you're catching me placing my stop loss this high at these candle bodies is great. It was an unlucky wick out. Everything was great today. I'm very proud of myself, and I'm so grateful of God that He allowed me to do this today. Like, I'm so blessed that God allowed me to do this today. And yeah, dude, that's it. Yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we start catching some dubs here pretty soon. I can't wait to show you guys these days where like on back testing, bro, like I hit forearm one day. So if it happens, it happens. It will happen. Just how soon will it happen, right? And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys. God loves you guys too. Let's check what news we have tomorrow. Okay, let's not do that. No news today. Tomorrow we have 10 a.m. news. It doesn't matter. So yeah, I love you guys. Peace.